Today we would like to present a coating unit that we erected for our customer Minda Industrieanlagen. The Minda plant is located in Tangermünde and mainly produces conveyor units that are used to link complex production processes. The manufacturing depth here is quite high, so that individual challenges can be solved quickly and innovatively. That this has proven to be a successful concept is attested to by Minda's customer reference list, which reads like a who's who of general industry. The production process moves in a linear way through the production hall, starting with the material storage area and continuing all the way to the loading of finished machinery. The colored coating station is located about halfway down the production line, where SLF erected a free spray coating station designed to handle all of the various parts produced at Minda.
Unser Farbaufkommen hat sich in den letzten Jahren in puncto Abmaße als auch in Menge an Lösungsmitteln und an Farbaufkommen verstärkt. Wir spritzen Teile in der Größenordnung 100 x 100 mm bis 2400 x 10.000 mm im Einschichtlackverfahren. Das von SLF vorgeschlagene Konzept mit partieller Zuluftzuführung als auch Abluftabführung hat uns überzeugt, und wir denken, dass wir in den nächsten Jahren technisch da gut aufgestellt sein werden.
The workpieces arrive at the coating station on dollies in unpainted condition and are first cleaned of production residue. A solvent-free bio-cleaner is the main agent used here. After cleaning, the workpieces are masked or taped off as necessary. The hanger-type conveyor at this preparation station has 6 parallel lines that act as a buffer zone. Today, massive substructures belonging to a plastic chain-link conveyor are scheduled for coating. However, smaller components must also be processed in between the larger ones. For this kind of work, the SLF Free Spray workstation is clearly superior to a conventional closed cabin. The coating technician moves the workpieces, which can weigh up to a ton, into position. A lifting station is indispensable for the all-round coating of the workpieces. Installed above the coating station are 8 long-range nozzles, and these nozzles provide for a carefully targeted airflow. In laboratory tests with fogging agents, it was possible to make visible a vertical flow of air up to 12 meters in length. The cone-shaped streams of air are shaped in such a way that the circulation easily overcomes rising warmth. The long-range nozzles shown here eject their fresh air at a height of 6.5 meters above the floor of the production hall. Each hour, 30,000 cubic meters of air are circulated through the active coating area. The settling speed of the air in the active work segment measures 0.3 meters per second. The floor area for the entire length of the overhead conveyor consists of a 3-line extraction unit covered with heavy U-shaped profiles. The extraction area covers about 24 square meters of the floor area. The maximum axle load is set at 30 kilonewtons. These profiles act as impact separators inside the airstream. This method of diverting the airflow captures 70% of the overspray. In order to be able to dispose of the layers of accumulating coating debris with as little effort as possible, the bottom profiles are covered with a stable one-way film. The impact separators on top are covered with a lightweight sheet of aluminum. The amount of material needed is small, but the savings in time is quite large. In order to match the energy expenditure and efficiency of the installation to the dimensions of the workpieces, the SLF unit feeds the airstreams to the exact location where they are needed. Motion sensors that register the position of the coating technician facilitate this process. The control unit then opens the long-range nozzles in the corresponding work area, along with the appropriate section of the in-floor extraction unit. This principle of adapting the airflow to the coating situation is graphically displayed on the control panel of the control cabinet. Operating personnel can choose here between automatic control and a manually selected section, or even a combination of the two control options. In addition, the control panel is used to regulate the proportion of fresh air and recirculated air, and to control the switchable heat output of the gas burner. The fans for incoming and exhaust air are each rated at 18 kilowatt. The exhaust air that is to be cleaned is sucked through the subfloor coating separator located in the noise-insulated machinery room. 8 filter cartridges with special filter mats remove the finest particles from the air stream. The degree of purification is 98%. The service lifetime of these filter mats with their deep capture design is exceptionally high, especially since all coarse particles already fall into the floor duct. Downstream from the coating station, the overhead conveyor offers the option of parking the workpieces in a 4-station zone for evaporation and drying. 10,000 cubic meters of air per hour are used for this purpose. There is also access to the half-open pumping station from this side. A 1-component industrial coating is currently in use. Just how flexible a free spray coating station can be is also shown by the inclusion of a rail system and 2 in-floor turntables for transporting heavy loads. Also noteworthy is the ability to move the indoor crane anywhere above the installation. We hope our visit in Tangermünde has given you a hands-on look at the design and operation of an SLF coating unit.